Hey guys, working on my 2000 Frontier, doing the reverse light switch on 5-speed manual transmission. Saw some other videos that said you had to lower the transmission and do some other goofy stuff like that. You definitely don't. You can just remove this center cover here that has the shift boots on it, and then there's about 8 screws on this plate that goes over the transmission tunnel, and then you can get a 19 millimeter open-end wrench right there down onto the sensor. It's the front sensor. There's another one here, or switch, sorry, and then I don't know what that switch is for, but it's that front switch. You can break it loose. I did crawl underneath then and loosened it the rest of the way by hand from underneath. It was easier to get to. That's the new one installed already. My old one just wasn't making contact anymore. This is the part number 1S5835. I got this on Rock Auto. You can get them on Amazon, I think, too. The old one seemed fine visually, but it's obviously not making contact inside anymore, because my reverse lights would come on sometimes, but not other times. So somewhere I've got a short or an open, and but anyways, there's that. You can do it right through the top. One thing I will say, that new switch, when I got it, one of the wires was broken off the back. The solder wasn't very good, so I did have to resolder it. So check that before you install it. And then it also came with an O-ring right on the end of the switch, right on the threads. It didn't look like the factory one had one, and so I did not use the O-ring. I did Teflon tape the threads instead for a little extra leak protection. So, but anyways, there you go. Yeah, go right through the top. Way easier than doing any of that stuff with lowering the transmission and whatnot. So good luck. Hope it works out for you.